Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I want to talk about a card I just made. I made it at my mom's. It is for my sister-in-law's birthday. The instructions from my husband for cards that I make that we give together are always lots of color and lots of bling. He's a man who likes blingy things. What can I say? So I decided I was going to make a totally non-traditional card. I have this Brusho background. It is one of the last of the Brusho backgrounds that I created at the retreat. I use Swirly Bird, the dies. I will show you what they look like. I used the middle-sized one, and then the small swirl. I picked the colors to coordinate with the Brusho colors. And then I put an acetate front, which isn't staying closed very well, so I borrowed these. These are a Stampin' Up! Paper clip from last year. My mom has a whole container of them, so she let me take 2 of those to hold the front closed. And it has a lot of dimension to it because one of the swirls is on the front, and this is a Granny apple green swirl. I added some glitter dots to the front as well as a StazOn black happy birthday. The glitter is from Myths and Magic. It just expired or retired yesterday, I should say. And I would have loved to video this because I actually made the card 2 days ago, but I ran out of time to get the video done, so this is a little bit late, but I definitely like the uniqueness of the card and want to get it videoed for anybody looking for something fun and different to do. And how I did it is I cut the top acetate piece with a 1/2 inch overlap, and I used tear and tape. I will add to this a white for my husband to fill in some text, or if I don't want to do that, I would give him a white gel pen to add whatever inside sentiment but postcard style. So acetate's very fun to make the front of your card different. I know that other people take the acetate and will use cardstock top and bottom, cut out the middle and put some acetate in the middle. And in my interpretation of using the acetate was to have it be the card front. And the only flaw with it being the card front, I would say, is that the acetate doesn't stay flat, but how I'm taking care of this is adding these 2 cute little paper clips because there's nothing to open. You can see the whole card. So at this point it's just a shiny fronted card with multiple dimensions added, and I really like the way the dimension looks in real time. And I can't tell if you guys can see, it's very shiny here, so there's a light showing. And then, the person will open the card and I imagine they'll go, oh, wow, that's kind of cool. Well, look at how different that is. And then they'll turn it over, and that's where the sentiment will be, on the inside with the inside message. So hopefully you guys will explore acetate. Now, I bought this acetate to do shaker cards, and I do plan on using it for the shaker cards and have used acetate, but I'd never used acetate as a card front before. So this weekend with my mom, the goal was to do some different things, and so that's what we did. Thanks for watching. Hey, I forgot to say that the sentiment came from Happy Birthday Gorgeous, which is an awesome stamp set. I really love it. Both Swirly Bird and Happy Birthday Gorgeous are carrying over into the new catalog, and both are awesome sets. Very extensible. You can do a lot of cool things with them.